In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a Todoist list. Let's dive into the process and ensure you can easily navigate through this task. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Todoist website. If you're not already familiar, Todoist is a robust task management tool that many people use to organize their tasks, projects, and more. Once you're on the home page, look for the login option. It's typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on Login to access your account. You'll be presented with several login options like using your email, Google, or even Facebook. For this guide, I'll choose to continue with Google, a convenient method if you have a Google account set up. Go ahead and select your Google account from the list that appears. This should swiftly log you into your Todoist dashboard. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Todoist homepage. Here, the magic happens. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll notice a menu with various options. From this menu, you can access different task views like today's tasks or upcoming tasks. You have the flexibility to choose the specific list you want to work with. For this tutorial, let's select today's tasks, but feel free to explore the upcoming section if that's what you need. Now that you've selected the specific list you wish to print, focus your attention on the task list interface. In the upper right corner, look for a three-dot icon. This is the gateway to more actions. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, you'll find the Print option. Clicking on Print will bring up a new window. This is your Print window. In this Print window, you're presented with printing options. You have the choice to either print the list directly to a printer or save it as a PDF file. Saving as a PDF is an excellent option if you want to keep a digital copy for later reference, or if you wish to email it to someone. Make your choice based on your needs. If you choose to print, ensure your printer is ready to go and click the Print button. Alternatively, if you're saving as a PDF, select the appropriate option from the drop-down menu. Once you've completed printing or saving your list, simply close the print window. This will return you to your Todoist interface where you can continue managing your tasks. And that's it. You've successfully printed or saved your Todoist list. I hope you found this guide helpful and were able to follow along seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our helpful guides.